Hello everyone, it's 16th June. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page we have US-Iran reach deal to end war, reopen Hormuz, again relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have NCRT to restore original image of dancing girl. Then we have Imphal protects outside hospitals over admission of injured Kuki-Zo men. Moving forward, we have horizon year for master plan may change from 2041 to 2047. Then we have hybrid vehicles and charging infra. Experts from IIT backdraft EV policy 2.0. Then we have who can act when a tree becomes dangerous? Forest Department puts out order for agencies, again relevant for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have India and Slovakia elevate bilateral ties to comprehensive partnership, again relevant for international relations perspective. Then we have after two failed bids, ISRO to try PSLV launch again soon, again relevant for defense perspective. Moving forward, we have after two failed bids, ISRO to try PSLV launch again soon, again relevant for science and tech perspective. Then we have Serum's HPV vaccine to be included in immunization program after 2027. Moving forward, we have US-Iran MOU, the exclusive quest for new Middle East, JCPOA, another Iran deal a decade ago. The concessions it's secured, again relevant for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have for strengthened Iran, a 60-day window for opportunity, a test to resolve. Then we have discount on top of dues, issues on Telangana's liquor sales. Moving forward, we have India, Sweden not competing with one another. We actually can compete one another. Again, relevant for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have Invest Asia pause. Questions for India, especially about its place at the table. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have art of the deal straight but with twist. Iran's stockpile recovery for energy supply. Lebanon challenges loom. Then we have our struggle is not over, says Netanyahu. Lastly, we have social media ban for under 16 will give them back childhood, says UK Prime Minister. Then we have USTR heads to India on June 23rd to give final touch to trade deal. Then we have Finance Minister says more measures to attract capital inflows on the anvil. Then we have India's goods export jump to 18% in May. Imports from US surged 54%. Again relevant for economic perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.